Yo, it's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. We out here still at Ross Car Show. Show y'all what's going on out here. Ross on stage right now. If you ain't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we don't drop videos all the time. So you want to click that notification bell to make sure you notified. Let me show you what's going on. All them drones in the air. They got some drones in the air.
Who knows this shit?
Your life on the laptop, it's always war on the have-nots. So we switch to Swahili, Zimbabwe, the language that we speak. The next time you hear me, it's Geechee. You Babylon boy, too sneaky. Turn off the Android or Apple. Let's have a discussion, no listeners. None of this should be recorded. Destruction can come from a picture. Invasion of privacy, violate my liberties. Cannot distract me, dangling chitterlings. I don't have jewelry and stripper dreams. I want my race out this hole, I'm a different being. Cancel my culture, you can't cause it's not yours. I am the key maker, I can unlock doors slipping. I am a recently mop floor. I know what you look like, erase all the contour. The black face is fading, I'm cruising, you're racing. Nowhere but somewhere and everywhere, waiting to link with these youngsters. We can go crazy, it's them I'm embracing. I feel they do great things, all they need is the guidance. In a passenger seat, I'm riding. Now I know what drives them. Let's switch up the way we describe them. Those gang signs are sign language, the Morse code are vibrations. Feel the silence of what I'm saying. You stuck on high when that's time wasted. It's cryptic, stacking the crypto. With liquid, the cash flow in limbo. That land you're selling has been sold. Down, I stand on my 10 toes. My patois is not for those in the Ascots. Where y'all in the Hamptons, the backdrop. We meet in the field of mass crops. No, take at my ranch spot. Digital footprints, they track ops. Trace DNA from the backwash. Decode your life from the laptop. It's always war on the have-nots. Send my own kind to shut me up. These are the topics so it doesn't touch. I can give like a dozen fucks. Shoot it out or just nothing buck. Nothing against the white folk. I will not walk on a tightrope. Solo, calling it ISO. My family's ready to slide though. I don't do ignorant, foolish, the stupid, the coward, the jealous, the evil, the lucid. You are what you say you are. There's only one way to prove it. Do it, Explain it to me while you walking through it. Fuck away, rocket car. Water that's beyond the music. The 616 is where I'm from. You rule with the gun, it's Saigon. The clip talk letting the switch off. It's nothing cause everyone's got one. Take it back to antiquity. Let me persuade you to different things. This you should know specifically. The code illegal, you live your dreams. My patois is not for those in the Ascots. Where we out in the Hamptons, the backdrop. We meet in the field of mass crops. No take at my ranch spot. Digital footprints, they track ops. Trace DNA from the backwash. Decode your life from the laptop. It's always war on the have-nots. Talk to Babylon, boy. You know that you try to decode what we talk about. Speak a different language. Should them not know, you know? My patois is not for those in the Ascots. Where y'all in the Hamptons, the backdrop. We be in the field of mass crops. No taking my ranch spot. Digital footprints, they track ops. Trace DNA from the backwash. Decode your life from the laptop. It's always war on the have-nots. So we switch to Swahili. Zimbabwe, the language that we speak. The next time you hear me, it's Geechee. You Babylon boy, too sneaky. Turn off the Android or Apple. Let's have a discussion, no listeners. None of this should be recorded. Destruction can come from a picture. Invasion of privacy, violate my liberties. Cannot distract me, dangling chitterlings. I don't have jewelry and stripper dreams. I want my race out this hole, I'm a different being. Cancel my culture, you can't cause it's not yours. I am the key maker, I can unlock doors slipping. I am a recently mop floor. I know what you look like, erase all the contour. The black face is fading, I'm cruising, you're racing. Nowhere but somewhere, everywhere, waiting to I'm embracing, I feel every great thing. All they need is the guidance. In the passenger seat, I'm riding. Now I know what drives them. Let's switch up the way we describe them. Those gang signs are sign language.
This is battles out here, ladies, make some noise.
Stuck on high when that's time wasted. It's cryptic, stacking the crypto. With liquid, the cash flow in limbo. It's selling that's been sold. Down, I stand on my 10 toes.
I want to show them love, but they gotta show me love. Right now, you guys finally at the table, take a shot right now.
Got the helicopter flying over this joint. Meek Mill in the building. Yo, it's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. We out here still at Ross Car Show. Show y'all what's going on out here. Ross on stage right now. If you ain't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we don't drop videos all the time. So you want to click that notification bell to make sure you're notified. Let me show you what's going on.
Coffin cruises, I'm from the Great Lakes and all we do is walk on water that's beyond the music. The 616
still out here.
You rule with the gun, it's
about to wrap it up out here.
Switch off, it's nothing cause everyone's got one. Take it back to antiquity.
Rose still on stage.
This you should know specifically.
Nasty right here. Rose on stage right now. Y'all see what's going on? We're about to head up out the promised land. It was a dope ass car show. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. click that notification bell because we don't drop videos all the time. But when we do, it's always a fire drop. It's still packed out here. Let me show you the transport buses. Buses coming in. Everybody heading out. It was a great experience. Till next year, Rose. We out of here. It's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. Make sure you subscribe to that Patreon to get all the exclusive content. We at KOD's, the Night Tossing Money. I'm out of here. What's going on, my YouTube family? Y'all hear that copyright? We down here. It's nighttime. Let me show you how they doing. I'm at Atlanta streets. You see it. Oh, my fault, my brother. My fault, my brother. They about to get him. Oh, it just got real. Oh, the best spot gonna be right over there for real. Yeah, I do. Got him. Got him. Why would you do that right there? Big Bentley. Y'all see what's going on? It's your boy Jock City. But check out with this video because they wilding down here. Get back to the ride, man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, click, comment, all that. Get that notification bell because we don't drop videos all the time. When we do, it's always a fire drop. It's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. We out of here down here in the A. I almost tore that scat up. Or that Hellcat, my fault, no disrespect. Almost tore that Hellcat up. Going down out here. Mopar life is serious down here. Oh, almost got fucked up. My fault, y'all. Gotta watch my step.